Hello, my name is Diego Lopez, founder of Dinámica Arquitectónica. I believe that behind every project there is a story to tell, and architectural diagrams help us to communicate the complexity of an architectural project. In this course, we will make 3 animation projects with the programs SketchUp, Illustrator, After Effects, and Media Encoder. We will start with the chapter From Concept to Project, where we will see some examples of how to explain the idea of a project with an animate diagram. Then we will do 3 animation projects. First, we will animate the central idea of the ocean center, learning from zero all the necessary to achieve this result. In the second project, we will animate a program of bars and voids, learning more animation techniques. Finally, we will animate a sequence that explains the design process of the project. All this process will be done with a battery of plugins that will save us a lot of time. Then I will share bonuses to use in other type of presentations, such as section, facades, or illustrations.